Good day, teachers! Welcome back here in Learning Pal. Learning Pal will be your learning buddy online that will help you find learning resources and update you to new learning trends and strategies. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you posted whenever I share new and helpful learning videos for you. Good day, teachers! Welcome here in Learning Pal. Today, I will share with you this PowerPoint game that we can use in our regular class or online class in any subjects or grade levels. This is the Guess the Hidden Picture, where the cover of the picture will gradually be removed and the students will guess the picture. To get an idea on how this is done, let's watch this example, and later, I will show how to edit it and put our own picture related or more appropriate to our own subject. Let's start. First, let's open the file. By the way, I got this PowerPoint game template from Rock, Paper, Scissors. I just want to share it and teach you how you can edit it and use it in your own subject. Let's click now the slideshow to see how it works. The example used in this game is good for English subject, specifically for the topic on verbs. In order for us to reveal the pictures showing different verbs, we have to click on any square one at a time. The first student to answer correctly wins. Let's try it. Once the student gives the correct answer, you may already click any part outside the puzzle to show the whole picture and the verb. To change the picture used in the template, just click the picture and delete it. Then, you may insert the desired picture that you will use for your lesson. Let's say, you want to insert a picture of an animal. Make sure the quality and the size of the picture fit the template. Once you have inserted it, right-click on the image and choose Send to Back. You also need to change the picture in the following slide, since it is the slide showing the correct answer. Don't forget to click the image and choose Send it to Back. It is good to try and check if the revisions we have done in the PowerPoint presentation work well. If the answer doesn't fit well on the template, just click the Animation tab and adjust the word to make it fit on the template. Okay, let's try it again if it works now. To add more slides, click a slide on the slide panel and click Duplicate. Same with the following slide answer key. Then, just do the previous steps on how to change the picture. That's how easy we can use and edit this Guess the Hidden Picture PowerPoint template. If you wish to have a copy of this PowerPoint template, just write your email address in the comment section of this video. I hope you have learned something from this video tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and leave a message in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more learning videos and tutorials. Thank you! You can join also my Facebook groups. God bless and stay safe. Happy learning, pals!